Welcome to this guided meditation on gratitude. Sometimes when we are feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, even fatigued, we can move away from a feeling of gratitude and bring our attention more to that which isn't. However, in doing so and continuing to do so, creating a pattern of lack of appreciation for all the many blessings that you have, you can actually compromise your health, your relationships, and your mental and emotional well-being. So this meditation is to bring you back to all that is, the many simple things that are very grand indeed and offer you this life experience, taking a moment to be grateful. Now take a few moments with attention to your breath of just settling into a neutral, upright posture. Allow your belly to soften, shift your shoulders back ever so slightly, and lower the chin so that the back of the neck is neutral and long. And with awareness of breath and posture, begin to intentionally generate a deep sensation of gratitude for the breath itself. As you watch, notice the breath moving in and out through the nose. Remember how precious this one breath is. And this one too. And the one that's following. Invite the spaciousness of awe and wonder as you sit with the next 3 to 5 cycles of breath. And then draw attention to your heart. Feel the heartbeat beat. Perhaps in the quiet you can hear, still aware of breath, but noticing, listening to the heart. Inviting an awareness of the miracle of the heartbeat. As we sit with this, noticing for 3 to 5 breaths, feel the heart. And now, just bringing your attention back and still aware of the breath and the heartbeat, draw awareness to the form of your human body. Here, functioning, breathing, beating heart. Notice whatever it is that arises. When we notice the unique fortune of the human birth, we're able to return back to a deep sense of gratitude. Gratitude for this life experience, this beautiful journey with its ups and its downs, its turns, its twists, breath by breath, here on this life journey. Now here in this human body, you have everything you need to awaken. You have everything you need to experience happiness, contentment, and joy within. There is infinite capacity within you, infinite capacity for awareness and gratitude. Breathing, heart beating, a mind that can notice, understand, feel, and discern. A mind whose capacity for awareness, understanding, and growth is infinite. a mind whose capacity for noticing its true nature is right here, right now, within you. Smile on the breath, smile on the heartbeat, invite in love for this body and kindness towards this mind. Rest here remembering you have everything you need, resting in gratitude for it all. And as the mind, with its infinite capacity, tries to draw you away, keep coming back to the wonder of the breath, the magic of the heartbeat, the beauty in being here. The light within me honors the light within you. Namaste.